Good day to all. This is Dr. G.P.G. Pushpa, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to study about the psychological factors influencing behavior. Then first we can know the meaning of the industrial psychology, then industrial psychology or organizational psychology. Then the industrial psychology or organizational psychology is the systematic study of the behavior of the people at work. Then industrial psychology studies human behavior only in industrial and business situations, whereas general psychology studies in general human behavior under all kinds of situations. Then now we can see the psychological factors influencing behavior. Then here there are 6 psychological factors. The first one is personality, second one perception, third one attitudes, fourth one values, fifth one learning, sixth one motivation. Then the first one is personality. Then the personality is a comparatively consistent feature that influences a person's behavior. It determines in a unique manner regarding how a person feels, thinks and behaves. Then the second one is perception. Then the perception is forecasting about the future. Then in this perception, the manner in which people classify, infer, retrieve and react to information. It is called perception. In this way, individual is able to draw information from the environment. Then the third psychological factor is attitudes. Then the attitude in the sense the calculative remarks or judgments regarding people, objects or events. It is called attitudes. Then here the human beings can change their attitude based on the environment or situations like that. Then the fourth one is values. The values is the fundamental beliefs about the way one should behave or communicate are called values. Then the values affect an individual personality as well as his perception. For example, if an individual values honesty and transparency, then he would try hard to be honest and transparent. Then if they have the honest, then if they have the honest as transparency, then they have to work hard for sustaining that honesty and transparency. Then the fifth one is learning. Then in these psychological factors, the learning is very important. It is a psychological process that influences human behavior. It is a rather permanent change that can be observed in the behavior of an individual, which comes with experiences. It is a continuous and recruiting process. Then when an individual learns and experiences something new, it works as a feedback for the person and it shapes his behavior at the time of any similar situation in the future. Then the sixth one is motivation. In these psychological factors, a psychological process that takes place as a result of needs and wants within a person is called motivation. Then motivation is very important. If we motivate our employees for doing some other work, then they will get interest for doing the work. Then it will encourage themselves for doing which work is allotted to them. Then it directs the individual behavior towards the achievement of the goals.